We have a chlorine pool and my daughters are in it pretty much every day during the summer, and my blonde daughter basically gets her hair turning green. So I'm so excited we were sent the TRIHARD bundle because this is great. Whether or not your hair turns green, even if you're just going in chlorine pools every now and then, this is great to have. Our season just changed, so I haven't been able to show you the green hair and how this can eliminate that. But let me show you what I got because I think this is so cool. Okay, so first of all, we have the shampoo. It's a really nice size bottle. So very big right there. And this one, you're just gonna wet your hair after you've gone in the pool. Put it in your hair, let it stay in for about 10 seconds and then rinse it out just like you would a regular shampoo. Has a very pleasant scent to it. And this one is gonna hydrate your hair after being in a pool. It's gonna eliminate any chemicals that may have got into your hair, and it's gonna neutralize any chlorine scent as well. Plus, if you get dry scalp, it helps with that. Now, this is the conditioner, and this you can use before and after you go in the pool. So before you go in the pool, go ahead and put this onto the ends of your hair and then go in, and then afterwards, after you shampoo, you can go ahead and put this on and then rinse out. And then this is gonna help to reduce that chlorine absorption into your hair, which is wonderful. Also hydrates the hair, eliminates the chlorine, and it helps to restore your texture. Now, one reason I don't jump in my pool a ton, and my kids know this, is because I never want to get my hair wet. Not only because it's a lot to style, but chlorine can really damage it. So I am so excited to have this now. Also, I got the body wash, and this is great just for your skin to really hydrate it after being in the pool. So you're just gonna put it all over, wait 10 seconds, rinse it off, and it has a very pleasant scent to it, so nothing too strong or anything like that, and it will also neutralize that chlorine scent while hydrating your skin and relieving any discomfort you may have, because some skin is very sensitive to chemicals like chlorine. So this is the bundle, and these are awesome size bottles, great for the whole family. Your kids can use it too, and I think you're gonna love it.